Hello. Today what I wanted to do is I wanted to go over survival kits. Your personal survival kit carry. Now, I've been posting videos on different things that I carry in my belt survival system, I call it, because it gives me so much more than just a small kit. Because I have my knife on there, I got a saw on there, got a water bottle, stainless steel that I can boil water in, and so on. Plus I have the kit here. I have a video that I can put a link down below to show you what's in this survival kit here. I have added a plastic sheet for an extra tarp. Also have a video of how you'd set that up and so on. So I've been doing multiple videos on what I've been carrying for a survival kit or system. So this system, I can do a lot out here. Now, it's all depend on your skill set, and if you know your gear and trust your gear, that's what you always build a kit around. Because if you don't know how to use a ferro rod, they can be tricky if you don't know how to process the tinder and so on. So don't go out there with a ferro rod unless you have some other way that you can start fire, because that ferro rod may be useless to you. You may get lucky with it, but you should practice before you ever go out and know your gear. Another good thing that I'm going to add is know your dangers in the area that you're going to go in. Know the area of what you're going to be able to use for tinders, and also your water sources and you know, such. So knowing what you can use out here with this gear to get your fire, to get your shelter and so on, can be very, very important. So with this kit, I'm thinking, you know, until rescued, if I'm lost or stranded, this here can greatly increase my chances of survival. Now, this here works great for me to throw on and such, and people was asking what I use for a belt carry. But a lot of times I will take this pack right here. Now this here's a sling pack, but any small backpack will work. But it just adds some extra room or storage that you can put other pieces of gear. That there can also greatly improve your chances. So a backpack, something like this that I can just throw on and go, is about as good as this. But it's better. Just because I can put all of this gear in this backpack. Now, backpacks, as you know, are used everywhere. Hikers, you know, in town, everywhere you see people with backpacks. Now, if I'm walking through a public trail to get to another spot I'm going with this big knife and everything else strapped to me, people may look at me kind of strange. If I have a backpack on, it's normal. So, first off, right here, I usually carry this out here now. This is a dog and coyote repellent, just for some safety concerns while I'm out here. I usually have that now with me, but in here, this is just some gear that I threw in here for an example. This here is the To-Go Systems bivvy. Now this is waterproof. You can make it into a tarp shelter. You can get right in it like a bivvy. Many, many uses for that. Very good lightweight carry option. I threw on a pair of wool socks. And this here is a down blanket. So just these couple items, they take up no room, hardly no weight, and they can totally increase your survival in a cooler weather or even a cold weather if you had this and a fire going. So this here is just some ideas, but this pouch right here, I could actually attach that right to the outside on the molly gear. This, I actually have a water bottle holder. Oh, it's rolling away on me. That I can put my water bottle in here. Just got to take it out of here. That covers the water bottle. Now, as for my knife and my saw here, just wrap it up like that there. Put it inside. There we go, that's inside. And now I have this, like I said, I can put it in here, or open that up, and I can put the gear right inside all these pouches and such. So I can have it all in this backpack. Now also I have this part here. Got some, this is acetaminophen, and I've got some snacks as well. So it's just a way to carry a little bit more by carrying a small backpack, and you can still have the gear you need, but you can have more to help with your survival out there. So everything that was in here I have now put in this pack. Plus I have the other gear that I showed you. Now this here would look a lot more acceptable around other people if I have to go through an area. But it's all according on yourself. Now it doesn't matter what you carry your gear in. And this here was basically full. And it worked, and it's a great carry like that, but I can easily throw this on and go as well. So it's all up to you. These videos are only to make you think. That's all. Just try to be prepared, take something out there with you that may help if you are ever lost or stranded. And I always have fun with these type of videos and fun making a kit up, because I think of the scenarios that I may actually come across out here, and then I grab some gear and stuff that I can combat those if I ever came into that situation. I want to thank you for watching, and as always, take care.